Hey everyone, it's me, Lisa. How are you? I am coming to you live from my kitchen in my house. And I decided to go live because I am sitting here and I am probably like most of you, just kind of bored and not quite knowing what to do with myself. I have Lolly. Lolly, come here, baby. Come here. Come here. I have Lolly. Hi, Doreen. Come here, sweetie. See, even Lolly is feeling too lethargic to visit right now. But I'm here in my kitchen, and I just wanted to say hello and see how you all were doing and how you were feeling. Are you bored like me? I don't even know if I can see comments. I'm trying to see comments, but I don't see any comments. But I see that there's like hundreds of you here now joining. I want you to know I'm feeling a little stressed. I don't know if you are feeling stressed like I'm feeling stressed. But hi Michelle, hi Doreen. Here's the deal. When I feel stressed, certain things comfort me. And today what's comforting me is something I don't do usually, which is drinking soda, okay? I'm drinking a Fresca. This is like a total throwback soda. I'm not a big diet soda drinker. Honestly, I drink Perrier nonstop. I drink water. Today I'm drinking a Fresca. I think desperate times call for desperate measures. So I just thought it would be cool if I went live and said hey and checked in to see how you were doing. I'm going to do this as much as I can because why not? And if you guys feel like you need a friend and I'm just sitting here in my kitchen and I could make you feel comfortable or make you feel like you're with me and I don't have to look fancy for you and I can wear my Superman hat, I am happy to do that. Hey, Betsy. Hi, wine comforts you. See, here's the thing. I'm reading these comments and it's like, do you guys feel like drinking alcohol is comforting? I mean, wine puts me to sleep, so I guess it would make me feel okay, but I find this Fresca to be a little bit comforting. I've been extremely tired. I know, a lot of people are saying they're tired, a lot of people stress eat. I'm gonna say something now, I'm gonna admit something. I am not really a big carb eater. I don't really eat a lot of bread, but I'm gonna tell you, last night we stopped at a market and it was like impossible to find bread anywhere, and we saw on the shelf Dave's Killer Bread, like this 21 whole grains. Up, Lolly. Oh, here's Lolly. Lolly appearance. Come here, sweetie. Look, there's Lolly. Oh, Lolly. Oh, here she is. Everyone say hey to Lolly. Come here, Lolly. Don't be shy. There's Lolly, everyone. Hello. Anyway, I found this Dave's Killer Bread on the shelves and we took it home and I actually had 2 slices of this for dinner. So like truly desperate times call for desperate measures. The fact that I had toast for dinner tonight really says a lot, but there was something really comforting about it. Michelle, Lolly misses you too. So guys, if you have any questions or if you want to know anything, if I can be here for you and help in any way, I'm here for you. Oh, someone just had a skinny margarita. I was thinking about, and I don't know if it's the smartest thing to do, is to have like recipes for alcohol. Come here, Lolly, what do you think? But I was thinking about like coming up with a recipe for a quarantini, which is like a quarantine martini that we can make that's low in calories. And maybe I can make that for you live. Would that be fun? I don't know. You tell me. Lolly, what do you think? Look. Everybody, do you guys love Lolly? Lots of hearts for Lolly. There she is. She's so sweet. She has been doing great, and I have to tell you, pets are really comforting. Another thing, working from home is interesting. I mean, I work from home probably more than a lot of other people, even though I have a great office and I go there a lot. So like when I work from home, I want to make sure that I get up and I shower and I have a routine. Oh, Lolly is now moving onto my lap and laying down. So if you guys are working from home, try to set yourself up in a place in the house where maybe you don't normally go, or if you have an apartment, stay in part of an apartment where you normally are not all the time, like not the place you hang out, so it almost feels like you're in an office. Lolly, do you agree with that? Anyway, isn't she so cute? All right, so guys, do you have any questions? There's like a lot of people watching this video now, which means that everybody is kind of bored. But I am going to make a quarantini for you, even if it means that I just show you the ingredients. I don't know if I'm actually going to make it, but I'm going to do that. You need alcohol recipes. Everybody's saying they need alcohol recipes. And you guys like Dave's killer bread. Okay, something else I have in the house, and I bought tons of Progresso chicken noodle soup. Yes, it's comforting. Bam Bam. Bam Bam wants to be part of the action, but she really can't. Bam Bam is on the other side of the room. I'll bring Bam Bam here tomorrow. But I do love Progresso chicken noodle soup. It's something I always have in the pantry. It is a great comfort food. I have found, and I was talking about this in the podcast, I don't know if you listen to the Hungry Girl podcast, but I find that comfort foods are making me feel better now. And so I'm sort of eating small amounts of things I normally don't eat. Like I bought some frozen pizzas from Trader Joe's, and I had a half of a pizza one day, and it made me feel great. But I'm still counting calories. I'm moving around a lot. I've been taking walks. It's been rainy here and cold, but I have been taking walks and trying to move a lot, still counting my steps, taking Lolly and Bam Bam out for a walk, and just being more mindful of everything. Wait, look, I have more snacks that I love here. Atlas bars. Have you guys tried the Atlas bars? These are incredible. You can get them on Amazon. That's another thing. I've been one-clicking things on Amazon, and if you want any suggestions from me about what might be available on Amazon, I'm happy to do that. I'm reading your comments. I had chicken and wild rice Progresso soup for lunch today. See? Good call. Good call. Hey, Melanie. Hi, Mary. Oh, my sister's watching. My sister was supposed to come visit me tomorrow, and sadly she can't. So at least she can see me here on Facebook Live. Anyway, if you guys have questions or if you want me to go live often from my kitchen, Lolly really wants this Atlas bar, let me know and I will be here for you. I am going to be home a lot, obviously. I'm going to be probably very bored. And if you don't mind me just talking to the camera like this, I'm happy to answer questions. And, wait, someone is saying, I've never seen so many people walking around here on Long Island. Oh, people are walking around Long Island? Okay. Yeah, magic blinds. Oh, yeah, my blinds just closed behind me because it's a certain time of the day. That was very observant of you. Isn't that funny? Oh, anyway. There's just a lot that you can do with whatever you have in your pantry. So if you have questions about what you can make, I could tell you what some good 2-ingredient recipes are. I can tell you what some good 3-ingredient recipes are. Hey, Doreen. I'm glad I make you smile. You make me smile, too. Do you know the Weight Watchers points for the Atlas bars? Oh, the purple points. We put it in the email, and I don't know off the top of my head how many points they are. They have about 200 calories, though. So there you go. Okay. Thank you for saying nice things. Hi, Sharon. Hi, Laura. Hi. Anyway, there's still about 1,000 of you out there, which is a lot of people. So I will probably be doing this often and answering questions. So I might be more organized next time, or if you want me to just wing it, I can wing it. You just let me know, and I will be here for you. And so will Lolly. Do you want to see Lolly more? Because Lolly loves, watch, come here, Lolly. Make the people happy, Lolly. Oh, look, there's Lolly. Oh, you're so cute. Yes. Thank you guys for saying such nice things. We really love you. We are here for you. And we'll continue to be here for you to help you with your food needs or just to say hello. We could all chat with each other and have a nice time. Because as I've been saying for the past few days, social distancing doesn't have to mean social media distancing. So we could be together and just have fun and chat and talk about food and talk about ways to not stress eat, to not feel anxious in this very weird, ever-changing world, okay? Somebody is asking how old Lolly is. Lolly, how old are you? You never ask a lady her age, right? Lolly's upset. She's leaving. All right, I think I'm going to sign off now. I love you guys. Mwah. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night. And as always, do the right thing.